is in a grave danger. It is in a very critical state. We as humans are very irresponsible, and now we face such many difficulties in continuing our living to survive in this very world. And now we face many issues.
One of the problems is global warming. Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases such as CO2 and CFC. Global warming causes an increase in global temperature, which can lead to climate changes.
The increase of global temperature does not contribute to climate changes only. It also contributes to the rising of sea level. As the temperature of the world increases, the ice caps at the North and the South Pole is going to melt. This melting of ice increases the overall volume of the sea, thus leading to the rising of sea level. The other part of global warming is caused by the uncontrollable use of the natural resources. Deforestation will cause less trees to be able to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen and leaving them into the greenhouse gas pool. The usage of leaded fuel in vehicles will exhale carbon monoxide gases into the environment, causing further effect to global warming.
In a solution to deal with the pollution and global warming effect toward the environment, the scientists and aware communities explore the branch of the green technology. For example, polystyrene used for the purpose of the food packaging has been replaced with a paper eco bag. This is because eco bags are biodegradable and more nature-friendly than polystyrene. Who joined in UM are forbidden to use polystyrene bags since half a year ago. This is an effort shown towards the green technology.
Conventional car exhausts greenhouse gases that cause pollution and contribute to the increase of greenhouse gas pool. So, rather than using conventional car, we should opt to use hybrid car. Hybrid car is a car that uses electric motor for its locomotion. Thus, hybrid car results lower emission of harmful gases compared to conventional car.
Okay, what is my view on green technology? Green technology actually is a good technology. The only thing is we have to conduct a lot of research in order for us to produce the technology, and in order for us to study whether there is a side effect of technology or not. The problem is when we produce a new technology without a proper research, sometimes we don't really know the side effect of the technology. And to make things worse, sometimes the effect will only can be seen maybe 10, 15 or 20 years after that. But as a result, that in general, green technology is good technology because normally it will good for environment. That's why we call it green. Then normally we should use less resources, and then by using less resources, normally it can sustain the resources, and by doing that, we are hoping that the resources can last longer and allow the future generation to enjoy the resources. So I think that's the main issue about green technology. We try to extend the use of resources. We know that our planet have resources, and these resources become limited. If we exploit it without limit, if not sooner, later the resources will become depleted, and we won't be able to utilize the resources anymore. So what we're doing right now, actually, we try to develop a new technology in order for us to use the resources for a longer time. So if we can produce technology that can ensure for us and to use minimum of resources, and also to allow resources to sustain for a long time, to be enjoyed by future generation, our great grandchildren. So that will be very good technology, provided that there is no side effect. We don't want our grandchildren to enjoy the resources, but at the same time they also suffer for certain illness or certain side effect. But if there is no side effect, there is no illness or whatsoever, so that's very good for society.
1, 2, 3 gitu.
Action. Our world is global temperature, which can lead to climate changes.
Dah, selesai. Dah belum?
Okay,
Okay. The other part of global warming is